Hello and welcome to this module of our online MOOC, where we'll be taking a look at how teachers and others can be making use of AI to simplify their lives. As I'm sure you've noticed, there are plenty of myths about the easy lives that teachers have. Short work days, long holidays, a fantastic existence. What people don't see is all of the work that takes place outside of the classroom. All that planning, preparation, marking, messaging, checking attendance, sitting in meetings and so on. It's no wonder that we feel a little tired at the end of the workday. It's estimated that most teachers work 50 hours a week. That's well over the OECD average of 41. And more than half of that time is spent on tasks outside of the classroom. Luckily, AI can help speed up and simplify a lot of these tasks. Speaking on the phone and sitting in those meetings is probably still up to us, but much of the rest of the backroom work can be done with the help of AI. But where to start? As I'm sure you've noticed, there are so many tools out there already, and more appearing all the time. How to know what's actually going to be helpful for you? It can feel a bit overwhelming at times. Luckily, help is available online. Try joining discussion groups and support groups on social media, the likes of Facebook and LinkedIn, for example. You can also check on the websites of publishers and language teaching organisations. They often share information and organise training courses for teachers. Check out conferences, webinars and online courses. And of course, don't forget Empower for DigiLine's own online course, where you'll find lots of information about AI tools in more depth and lots of other topics as well. There's plenty of You'll also find lots of useful information in the videos that follow. We'll take a look at prompting, how to make sure that AI gives you the best results for your purposes, and we'll see how AI can help you with all those backroom tasks and with creating teaching materials that are tailored for the exact needs of your class and your learners. We'll also give you some ideas for helping your learners to make use of AI to support their learning instead of letting AI do all the hard work for them. And of course, we need to talk a bit about some of the not so good things about AI. It is important to keep these in mind when you're using the tools. At the end of each video, you'll find some questions for reflection or some practice exercises to give you the chance to try out AI tools for yourself. Here are the first questions. We'll leave you to think about these. Next time, we'll take a look at how you can make your prompts really effective. See you soon.